apps like Facer has been locked out of Wear OS update for some time now. But with the launch of the Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic running Wear OS 6, watch owners will finally be able to install custom watch faces again. At Google I/O in May, Wear OS 6 said that they will enable third-party watch faces app again, so that you can find them to the dedicated storefronts instead of the Play Store individually. Phaser, the world famous app, is now finally updated its app with full Wear OS 6 compatibility. If you select Watch 8 as your device, you will see WFF-compatible watch faces you can sync directly to your watch, all compliant with Google's rule after battery efficiency. Each Phaser watch face has a power impact rating in the description: minimal, low, medium, or high, predicting how much of the effect will have on your smartphone battery life based on factors like power draw, pixels, and ambient mode. Most of Face's current compatible WFF faces are paid or premium, but it still is fairly limited compared to the hundreds of thousands of faces available for the older Wear OS watches. However, Phaser Creator Tool now integrates WFF into the Rosetta Stone system so that any watch face made is compatible with Wear OS watches, Apple watches, and other formats. For, for now, most of the available options from well-known brands Fallout, Star Trek, Barbie, TMNT, Smurfs, Garfield, D&D, Tetris, Call of Duty, NSA, Hot Wheels, and many other popular franchises are present. Only a few non-branded WFF faces are free, but Phaser is offering a limited-time launch promo for this Wear OS 6 update, so new premium members can pay $14.99 for the first year or $3 per month. Faces introducing looks into the app. It is a social area where people can post photos of their wearable watches with their favorite faces and customization. It is expected Phaser has been brought back custom WFF option to new Galaxy watches and will support new Wear OS 6 watches like the Pixel Watch 4 down the line. Even though Samsung is the winner of the Wear OS watch face battle for the classiest and most varied face, it's happy and nice to see more options coming up.